Hello, my dear students, friends of Sajin Explains Careers. If you want to survive the next 12 months, if you want to protect your income, if you want to make sure AI works for you or not against you, then listen very carefully. Because in 2026, two types of people will exist. People number one, people who use AI. And people number two, people who get replaced by those who use AI. Today, I am giving you the top three AI skills that will multiply your income, secure a career, and keep you relevant no matter which industry you work in. We have reached a point where AI is not a future prediction, AI is the present reality. Companies are already hiring fewer people. They are replacing repetitive tasks. As I have mentioned you yesterday's video and day before yesterday's video as well. You can check it out. And they are promoting the employee who know how to get more done using AI tools. Your degree won't save you. Your experience won't save you. The only thing that will save you is your ability to use AI effectively. Let us get into the three skills that will define the winners of 2026. Skill number one, AI prompt engineering. This is not just typing questions into ChatGPT. Real AI prompting is the ability to control the AI, get consistent results, turn vague ideas into high quality work, automate research, writing, planning, communication, coding, everything. The world is now divided into two groups. As I have mentioned to you earlier, people who know how to talk to AI and people who get ignored by AI. A good prompt is not write a report on India's economy. No. A powerful prompt is act as a senior economic researcher, analyze India's 2025 2030 economic trajectory using trends in manufacturing, trade, inflation, and global geopolitics. Give me a structured report with five sections, examples, and recommendation. Do you see the difference? One get a school level answer, the other get a work level output. Why this skill matters? Because companies are looking for the people who can deliver 100% work in 1 minute. AI prompt engineers are already making 10 lakh to 20 lakh salaries globally without even a tech degree. Where to start? Learn framework like RTCO, role, task, context output, chain of thought prompts, multi agent prompting, automated workflows. This one skill alone will make you 10x effective at work. Skill number two, AI automation and workflows. Prompts help you to do tasks. Automation helps you remove tasks forever. This is a skill of connecting ChatGPT with your emails, automating reports, auto creating presentations, using AI to run customer support, scheduling posts, extracting insights from data, writing proposals, drafting documentation, summarizing meetings, building small AI agents that works for you 24/7. This is what companies are really paying for because the automation saves money. If you can save your company 10 hours a week, you are valuable. If you save them 100 hours a week, you are irreplaceable. I will give you a few examples of real automations. HR teams automate JD creation, create screening. Marketing teams automate content calendars and copy. Sales teams automate lead qualification. IT teams automate documentation and ticket responses. Why this skill matters? AI automation is become the Excel of this decade. In 2010, the person who knew Excel got promoted. In 2026, the person who knows AI automation will get promoted. Where to start? Learn tools like ChatGPT Workspace, Zapier, Make.com, Notion AI, agent based workforce, voice plus video AI tools. Skill number three, AI augmented creativity. The world needs less labor but more creativity. This skill is about using AI to create better ideas, better visuals, better storytelling, better presentation, better personal branding, better communication. AI cannot replace creativity, but AI will supercharge creative people. Think of AI as your creative assistant. You can generate 10 ideas in 10 seconds, create stunning visuals, write scripts, build slides, make content, improve branding, plan business strategies. Creativity plus AI is equal to the most powerful combination in the next 5 years. Fields where this pay extremely well are branding, content creation, marketing, design, product entrepreneurship. This is a skill that makes you independent. So, here is the truth. AI is not here to take your job, rather, AI is here to make or take the jobs of people who refuse to adapt. If you understand these three skills, you are not only survive 2026, you will dominate it. Now, tell me in the comments which AI skills are you learning next? And if you want, I will make a full video breaking each one down in a detail. So until now, signing off, Sajin from Sajin Explains. Follow for more and subscribe to our channel to daily updates.